Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Roman numerals. Prior to this, we have already discussed Indian number system and international number system. One question that might bother you is whether do we have some more number systems or why do we have different number systems? Dear children, in fact, the history of numbers is as old as the human civilization itself. One of the foremost importance of numbers is to count the things. And in different parts of the world, people developed their own system of counting, and hence we have different number systems. Of course, due to certain shortcomings, they failed to cater to the growing needs of the mankind and hence could not exist in the wave of time, in the flow of time. And so they are not in much use these days, but you will find it, say, Kings 11 Punjab or Standard 9. This is so because this system once served the mankind very well. So today we are going to learn about this Roman numerals, and for writing Roman numerals we use 7 symbols. Here you may recall one thing: in Indian number system or in international number system we use 10 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Whereas in Roman system we have only I, V, X, L, C, D and M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 symbols we have. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. Now with the help of only these 7 symbols, we will try to write other numbers also. Now there are some rules which we need to follow to write other numbers. Rule number 1: certain symbols can be repeated. They are I, X, C and M. Out of the 7, these 4 I have said, I, X, C and M, they can be repeated. But they can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times only. Now, what effect will they produce on repetition? Let us see. I. It means 1 plus 1. I. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3. So to write 1, we write I. 2, we write I. And to write 3, we write I. In the same way, X is 10. If you write X 2 times, it is 20. If we write one more X, it is 30. In the same way, this C is 100. Another C makes it 200. And yet one more C, 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. So is the case with this M also. But remember, we cannot repeat more than 3 times. So I, X, C and M can be repeated. Whereas this B, L and D can never be repeated. I hope I am clear to you all. I, X, C and M can be repeated. B, L and D can never be repeated. Next rule. If a numeral of a smaller value I is smaller to all these, B is smaller to all the symbols coming after it, X is smaller than all these symbols. So, if a smaller symbol is written to the right side of a larger symbol, V and I, VI, the value is added. It is 5 plus 1, that is 6. X, I, that is 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. C, X, I, this is 100 plus 10 plus 1, that is 111. Okay? And if a smaller numeral is placed to the left side of a larger numeral, then the value decreases. That is, its value is subtracted from the value of the larger numeral or larger symbol. It is 10 minus 1, that is 9. And one thing to be noted, this smaller numeral cannot be repeated on the left side. It can be written only once. Moreover, B, L and D, you may recall B, L and D, these three numbers we had said are never repeated. In the same way, these B, L and D cannot be subtracted from a larger symbol. Okay, next is, if you want to write 5,000, what to do? We have no symbol for that. Simply write 5 and put a bar over it. It is called vinculum. This vinculum multiplies this value 1000 times. It is 5 into 1000, that is 5,000. 7, put a bar over here, and it is 7 into 1000, that is 7,000. Next to it, we will try to write some numbers following these rules. Write 49. 49. Now you will say, sir, the symbol for 50 is L and subtract 1 from it, that is 50 minus 1, that is 49. Sorry, it goes wrong. What happens is, now you know I, X and C can be subtracted, but subtracted from what? I can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only, that is two next symbols. You can write IB, you can write IX, but you cannot write IL or IC or ID or IM. This I can be subtracted from V and X only. Now V cannot be subtracted, then X can be subtracted from L and C only. You can write XL, you can write XC, but you cannot write XD or XM. You cannot do that. In the same way, C can be subtracted from D and M only. So, how should we write 49? See, first try to write 40. One way x, 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 but this no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. So this is not 40. Then what should we do? If we write 3 times, it is 30 only. We have to write 49. So what shall we do? Better 50 and minus 10, that is 40. Now 9 more. Here one thing to be noted is, if a smaller symbol is written between 2 larger symbols, here I is written between L and X, the value of this smaller symbol is to be subtracted from the value of the symbol coming to its right side only. So hence it is, this XL is 40, 50 minus 10, that is 40, and IX, this IX is for 9, 40 plus 9 is 49. Isn't it interesting? Let's take some more examples. Let us try to write this 140. It is 100 plus 40. 100 we already know, C stands for 100, and 40 is 50 minus 10, and 50 minus 10 is simply XL. Isn't it? Write 69. It is 60 plus 9. 60 is 50 plus 10. 60 and 9, 69. Now we will write 2519. 2519. It is 2000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 9. 2000 M can be repeated. M 2000. 500 D, 10 X, and 9 IX. Isn't it easy? Now let us recall what we have learned so far. These 7 symbols, I, B, X, L, C, D, and M. I stands for 1, B for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. Now out of these 7, I, X, C, and M, that is 1, 10, 100, and 1000, can be repeated to a maximum of 3 times. When these symbols are repeated, their values are added. The symbols V, L, and D, 5, 50, and 500. Isn't it easy to remember? 5, 50, and 500 can never be repeated. Now, if a smaller symbol is written to the right side of a larger symbol, the value is added. XI. This is 10 plus 1, that is 11. LI, 50 plus 1, that is 51. And if the smaller symbol is written to the left side of the larger symbol, the value of the larger symbol is decreased. It gets decreased. The value of the smaller symbol is subtracted from the value of the larger symbol. So I, X, C, and M can be repeated. V, L, D cannot be repeated. And at the same time, this V, L, and D cannot be subtracted. So we can say V, L, and D can neither be repeated nor be subtracted from any larger symbol. If we want to write a number in multiples of 1000, simply put a bar which we call vinculum over it. 50,000, 50,000, 5,000, 7,000. Hope all of you have learnt the topic well, and you can write the numbers using the given symbols. Next day we will discuss another topic. Till then, goodbye, stay at home and keep safe. Thank you.